The gratitude journey, finding joy in everyday blessings. Once upon a time, in a little village in Indonesia, there were two best friends named Budi and Rudy. They loved their cozy village with its pretty rice fields and swaying palm trees. Budi and Rudy had big hearts and were grateful for all the good things in their lives. Every morning, Budi and Rudy woke up with smiles. They thanked the universe for the beautiful day ahead. They loved the sound of birds singing and the gentle breeze on their cheeks. One day, Budi and Rudy decided to go on a special adventure. They wanted to find and appreciate all the good things around them. They started by saying thank you to their families for loving and taking care of them. They explored the village. Budi and Rudy found many blessings to be grateful for. They loved the colorful flowers along the paths. Thanked the farmers for the yummy food they grew. Budi and Rudy were also thankful for their kind neighbors. They shared smiles and kind words, making everyone feel happy. They learned that gratitude could spread joy and make the village a better place. Budi and Rudy enjoyed nature too. They sat by the river, listening to the peaceful sound of water. They thanked the river for its beauty and calmness. They learned to enjoy simple things and be happy. As Budi and Rudy practiced gratitude every day, they felt happier and more content. They realized that even in hard times, there were things to be thankful for, like friends who helped and chances to learn and grow. People in the village saw how Budi and Rudy changed. They were inspired and started being grateful too. The village became a joyful place where everyone appreciated and cared for one another. Budi and Rudy's gratitude adventure taught them to find joy in everyday things. They knew that gratitude could make their lives better and help others too. They became examples of gratitude, showing others how to be happy and appreciate all the wonderful things in life. So, the story of Budi and Rudy's gratitude adventure became a beloved tale in their Indonesian village. It taught children to be thankful for simple moments and find happiness in the little things. Through gratitude, they would discover true joy and a deep love for the amazing wonders of life. The end.